Hi, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. If you are looking for bank jobs, you have two options, either to look for government bank jobs or either to look for private bank jobs. Now let's see what is the changes happened on government banks and the private bank jobs. What is the changes and what is the nature of vacancies and what is the future of government bank jobs and the private bank jobs. Yeah, these are the merger of government banks. That is the Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India merged with Punjab National Bank. Syndicate Bank is merged with Canara Bank. Allahabad Bank is merged with Indian Bank. Andhra and Corporation Bank have been merged with Union Bank of India. Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank have been merged with Bank of Baroda. State Bank of Hyderabad, Mysore, Patiala, Travancore, Mahila Bank, Jaipur is merged with State Bank of India. All these mergers have been taken place. If you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, almost 20 bands have been merged and now it is 6 bands. 20 bands have been made as 6 bands. So these are the this it has happened in the recent years. Now let's see what is the implication of this. The impact of the bank merger is reduction in branches and reduction in staff. Of course, it leads to reduction in government bank jobs because all these banks have been merged. Because if the same location, if you take Chennai, if the Chennai is operating with 40 50 branches, if the same location would be having all these branches, State Bank of Matera, State Bank of Travancore, State Bank, either the same location would be having the multiple branches of the same banks. Since it is merged, there is no necessary for the separate branches. So definitely if after the merger, if it is have 50 branches, definitely minimum 25 branches will be closed. It is of no requirement to have the separate branches. So it will, if the 25 50% of branch, if after the merger, if even if the 50% of 40% of the branches is closed, they have to deploy the 40% of the staff who worked on those branches. In this case, those staff will be uh, put up to the other departments or to the other branches or to the future open new branches opened by the government banks. So if that will be the challenging case because they have to deploy all those staffs, the nearly 30-40% it's the high numbers. They have to deploy all those staffs, so that itself will not it will restrict the current openings and also the future openings as well. So definitely for now and also for the recent for the future recent years, the openings will be highly less. That is why the institutes, the primary banking institutes like race and many other institutes have switched their concentration from specific bank openings to other group 1 group 2 exams and other exams as well. Because earlier there is a very hunger for the bank exams, the openings is very high. The institutes also focused on bank exams mainly. Now, since the openings have been reduced drastically, they are also switched their concentration to other bank exams. Okay, let's see. It's the scenario of the government banks. Let's see the scenario of the private banks. Two things to be noted positively on the private bank sector openings, because there is a new entrance of small finance bank in the recent years, as that is last 3 years, 3 4 years, and the expansion of the branches by the existing big banks. These two things have drastically improved the openings, because you see Ujjivan Bank, Small Finance Bank, Janalakshmi Small Finance Bank, Equitas, AU, Capital, ESAF, Utkarsh, Suryodaya, FinCare, and there may be some one or two may be missed out also. So all these branches have been new entrants. All these have been for banking. They are new. They are only within 3 years, and now they will be in expansion. So almost all these branches would be having nearly adding their asset branches. Every branches will be having minimum 500 branches, right? So see the scenario. It will be a very fantastic opening. So rather you, my request is rather you wait for the government bank jobs. Even if you cleared, if you are capable enough to get into, always it is your option. But if you are waiting for long for the government bank jobs, it is better to enter into any of the small finance bank or the large banks, and after with the experience you can move to scale 1 or scale 2 or scale 3 with your experience. Always the government banks opening is there, it will come, but it may take some time. So my request is, you, if you are waiting for loan, you can prefer either the large banks or the small finance banks, because all these banks have been since the at the private bank scenario, the opening is very high, because suddenly all these banks came into force. Also the existing banks also opening the new branches. uh, every bank is hunger for resources. Every bank, if into private banking sector, they are, every bank is hunger for resources. There is a lack of resources, and the lack of quality resources in banking, I say there is a high lack of quality resources. So if you can do what well, if you can concentrate and do bright things, definitely you have bright future in private banks. Yeah, these are the expansion of branches by the leading banks in India, that is HDFC, Axis, ICICI, Kotak, Bandhan, RBL. Do you know the number of branches by the top three branches would be around 5,000 plus branches. The top three banks holding 5,000 plus branches. They are going for hungry for expansion of branches, so they need more staff members. And Kotak also, they are expanding the branch network. Bandhan is a newcomer, of course they are expanding, and RBL is also expanding the branches. So we have more branches as well in IndusInd and many other private banks, although also there in the line. So at the private bank sector, the opening is very high, very high, because these are the original players who are there for long 20 years, and also the small finance bank came into for the last 3 to 5 years. They are enlarging their networks. The usually the private bank players would be from moving from HDFC to Axis, Axis to ICICI, or some other in between, and suddenly the new finance banks came, small finance banks came. There is a lack of resources in banking. That is what I want to tell you. There is a lack of resources, there is a lack of quality resources in banking. If you do well, always you can get a good job in it. And my point is, insist, there is a high drop in the government bank jobs, and there is a sudden racket space in the private bank jobs on the scenario. So you make use of it and you make a decision. Thank you. Yeah, friends, I feel it's an informative thing to you. So please share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel. And please visit our website, bestbankingjobs.com. And please look into, we provide various services: employment information, resume development, candidate assessment, and interview training. For any services, please mail to resume@bestbankingjobs.com, or miss reach us at 9952832163. Thank you.